Good morning, honeys. What's going on? How are you today? You guys want to come outside and play? You guys want to come out and play? Yeah? Let me open the door for you. It's a beautiful day today. Who's gonna come out and play first? Who's coming out to play first? Good morning. Hi, honey. Good morning, Claudia. How are you today? Who else is coming? Anyone else? Huh? Good morning, Cielo. Hapo. Good morning, Cielo, Hapo, and Claudia. Charlie, is the baby's gonna come out? Is the baby's gonna come out and play? It's a beautiful day. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. How are you today? Is this okay? Go.